Oh, Vietnamese food.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah, very cool.
Very cool.
Con lon.
Đúng rồi.
What's the name?
Name. Đúng rồi. Okay.
We call it, ano?
Rồi.
Spring roll.
Đúng.
Spring roll.
Okay.
How about here? This is lychee. Oh, matamis. Lychee of Vietnam. This one, oh. Lychee. And this is Nim. In Philippines, this is lumpia. And the salad.
Yeah.
The Lady Maria. Oh, what kind of?
Nice.
Oh, no.
Now.
This is strip.
Yeah. No. Sit.
Oh my goodness.
It's okay.
Yeah.
It's very, very nice. Every meal time, not including morning, they have Coca-Cola and Nim.
Mamalit ko.
Spring roll in English. And sliced cucumber and fruits. They don't eat rice.
You cannot eat rice, but you cannot.
She went home for her
Ayun. She is sick.
sick, yeah, sick.
Wow, ano.
Oh, ganda.
Yung aming kaibigan dito, kapanalig, kasama.
Lima yan sila eh. Ayan lang.
The Coke and the ice. Lunch in Vietnam. They eat, leaves. Very big leaves. Oh. Very big leaves and mayana leaves. And simsiman leaves. Oh, this is so yummy here in Vietnam.
Kulot.
Oh, kunlon. Pork ears.
Salad.
Oh, salad.
Salad.
Yeah, salad. This is salad. This is lychee.
Lychee.
Yeah, lychee and Nim. Nim. And no more. This is dessert. Oh, I see. Dessert nga. What's inside? I will tell Camille. Camille. This is breakfast in Vietnam. Banh mi. They have fruits always. Macopa and I don't know this one. They have soft drink, but I love coffee. Another table. This is Nim. Oh, sweet potatoes. Banh mi. Fruits. Yeah. And siopaw. Siopaw in the morning. They made This is big banh mi. You can put gulay inside banh mi and this one. Kunlon.
penetrate man sa ilalim.
After harvesting, you have to wash because the soil is still here.